Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to reduce clickbait or scam content in Facebook. If you're someone who uses Facebook regularly, you may have noticed that some posts or pages are designed to mislead or scam users. Fortunately, Facebook offers an option to reduce the visibility of such content in your newsfeed. In this video, we'll be showing you how to reduce clickbait or scam content in Facebook. Step 1 is to download the Facebook app if you haven't already. You can find it in the Play Store by searching for Facebook. Once you've found the app, tap on the white F with a white background and then tap on Install. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign in. Step 2 is to access the app settings. To do this, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will bring up a menu where you can access the app's settings. Step 3 is to navigate to the Preferences section. Scroll down until you see this section and then tap on it. Step 4 is to select News Feed. This will bring up a list of all the pages you followed. Step 5 is to use the Reduce option with the shield icon. Tap on Low Quality Content and switch from Reduce, Default, to Reduce More. Step 6 is to enjoy less clickbait or scam content. Most of the scam posts are pages that were reported as scam before by others, or you will partially disappear from your feed. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily reduce clickbait or scam content in Facebook. This can be helpful for protecting yourself from misleading or harmful content on the platform. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.